Nigotoko chakurwase ebunge nyalibali masaba ase omujumbe webunge yo omutike Dr. Daniel Owoka Manduku anyaka bakora egeikaro nomuiga omunene bwa borokia asa borokia banyaka bakwegwa ebyegwa aho kobwatakana amo nogokoria abuya amatemu ase chitsukuru aho emwaka oeta nabo ikogenda kore mirime miyabu na aborokia korwa ase bunge yo naboigo ime ye bunge yo chingagie chicho ningaborokia bairali bagalia bene kolera obone bwabo nakogania amagania abokoligererwa ni sector aho ime ye serikali moyego yo nigora wa gosinigo ikeranwa amono muwasiri wechitemi mosike Julius Migosyo gamba egati yabagani banda abange ase muna gutumanya umulikito Gabriel Nyakundi
Ditkorero nigo abarokia kurwa chiskuru aonene mono kurwa sebunge yega inyari bari masaba batwara mojega bogo chengera amachibu ayo barigetie umwaka weta ase amatemo amanene ase chiskuru aonene mono kurwa serogongoro igarwa rigetie amachibu amaya go mojega oyu oragwa no mwaziri wechisemi wense ya Kenya omuske Julius amo no mubunge unyari bari masaba muske Dr. Daniel Manduku ase abateneneri baborokia baganiriye serikali ya Kenya kulika abali mubande iliyo kwene kiango korabale egasi ase obororo.
Mheshimiwa Waziri, teachers who trained as early as 2010 they are still languishing at home, not yet employed in Kisii, and I think that problem is majorly in Kisii. We have teachers crying 2011, 2012, 2013 who graduated those years, but they have never seen a letter of employment. Kindly Waziri, ambu ireni ena igobogeka okonya bantu baito ntuma etama ruwe na ruwe guchusi lakini ato ya ikereti na ero renji hoko ya ikero konya bana baito. Waziri, the principals are crying about capitation. That one is your docket, and I saw you noting it. I don't want to repeat it.
Where teachers are being recruited in their sub-counties of birth. Yes, Kisii are among the highest number of trained teachers. When we are reduced to our sub-counties, we are being disadvantaged. Let every Kenyan have a chance to be employed anywhere in the country as part of enhancing national cohesion.
Members, most of our teachers who participated in invigilation and the supervision of the examinations did not receive their monies. And we don't know the reason. Because of the negligence of some offices, they did not receive their monies, and those who received, they received very few, more than half of what they're supposed, less than half of what they're supposed to receive. We want to know all the people who manage examinations are paid, except the deputy center managers. I know we have deputies in our institutions who take also part in those examinations in terms of distribution and also taking care of those learners. In future, as the coming examinations come, please let us factor them because they are part and parcel of.
Asebagi kelia egekole kyukyabete aseseboye nakoro ase abarokiwa ba Butere Girls banyalite gusaganwa n'abanyanyimbo.
I don't know what to say, but it is against the spirit of CBC. When we talk about CBC, we talk about talent, competency-based curriculum. And now the children who are actually bringing out their competency on the stage and they were bad. We are going against CBC unless you handle that issue consciously. You are going to demoralize the teachers. Teachers have taken their time. They have come out with a wonderful play. Teachers are never political. We support the government of the day as we take what we are given. So the play where it came from is none of our business. We took it and here we are. So it is you to know how
we saw at Nakuru yesterday. It is an embarrassment to our country. Because playwriters, those people who write set books that we use in schools, are not teachers. But no one has ever complained that we are using set books written by non-teachers in our schools. And if you read those such books, they talk about the situations in the current government and in many other governments, because the literature's work is to always challenge the systems and also to expose the wrongdoings in the systems. We expect that the government kindly handles that matter very seriously. It was wrong to see a contingent of police officers lobbing tear gas at 30 girls who are participating in a legal exercise of showcasing their talent. It was wrong. We need it addressed firmly, because we want to continue nurturing talents, not intimidating our learners when they are exposing their talents.
Crying in terms of their two medical skills. We have two medical skills. I don't know whether teachers get sick more than other people. They are given two medical skills. We have Minet and we have SHA. We want to have one comprehensive medical scheme for the teachers. And this one comprehensive medical scheme does not select for us the hospitals. We can visit any hospitals in the Republic so that we can get our medication right. That is what our teachers are requesting for.
Ase aborokia bali ahira yugutia gokora omukia na kwenekia aborokiwa ngonyora bali ekelia baganetie iliogweta amatemo abo. Kingo reporteria egataseni bwanchete kiana gekumi kegetembe korwa sebunge yega enyari bari masaba county Kisii ncheguruko Nyakundi Gabriela.